If you are an AIAPGT 2024 aspirant, then do not miss this video. Are you feeling tense that you are not able to memorize anything that you study, even though you have worked really hard? Are you feeling it difficult to finish a set of questions in the given time? Then you must be feeling very stressed and tense now, right? I feel you. Listen, there are certain things that we can do to tackle this stress and ensure maximum confidence. Now, let me tell you some steps that we should follow to tackle the stress. First of all, we have to understand that stress is a normal reaction. It's a common human reaction. But at the same time, it has the capacity to make you feel anxious, make you feel depressed, or even make you feel insecure and fill you up with negative thoughts or emotions. And that is exactly why we should learn to tackle stress. So, let me tell you three effective strategies to tackle stress in the next 3 days and attend your exam with maximum confidence and come out in flying colors. So, step number one, practice. Practice, practice, practice. For the next 3 days or 4 days, make sure that you are practicing the basic and strong areas that are needed for AIAPGT, like samhitas or whatever areas that your teachers have told you to revise in the last days. So make sure that you're not spending so much of time in new areas. Rather than that, you are spending a lot of time on revising the basic samhitas where a lot of questions come from. So that is the one important thing that you should do. That makes you feel confident, that makes you, your reactions, your presence of mind sharper, and that helps you to solve the problems easily and solve the questions easily. Now, also make sure to practice a certain number of questions every day within a given time. Also, you can use Drona app or any other guide or anything to practice questions, but make sure before you go to bed for the next 3 days, you're practicing a certain set of questions. So the first step to do is practice. Now, the second step, that is the most important step, that is self-care and meditation. See, often we have this habit of skipping our meals or not sleeping properly or not drinking enough water during exam time. We spend maximum time in mugging up certain things and we do not sleep properly. This works for general kind of exams, but this will not work for a competitive exam. You know why? Because for a competitive exam, the most important thing you need is presence of mind. And for that, you should support your body and mind, right? So you should eat properly, you should drink enough water, you should sleep properly, and if you get time, do some exercises or yoga as well. This will, create a breathing space inside yourself and will ensure maximum productivity. Trust me, this works. You should provide yourself with these basic things so that your memory is sharper and you have that presence of mind to appear a competitive exam. Now, what if you don't sleep properly? You don't sleep properly, your memory is getting weaker and you won't be able to answer questions. You will get confused inside the examination hall. So that is one thing. And the next thing you can do is practice frequent breathing exercises, like, every time morning when you get up or in between, whenever you feel stressed while you're studying, or take a break frequently and do some deep breathing exercises. Also, make sure to practice some positive affirmations, like tell yourself that this is going to be easy. I'm going to crack this exam. I will be there in the Drona Achievers list next year. And I'm for sure I'm going to crack this exam and reach my goal. Tell yourself these positive things. When stress is trying to fill you up with negative emotions or thoughts, feed yourself with positive thoughts so that the positivity will give you that inner confidence. So that is one thing. And also, before going to sleep or whenever you get up or whenever you get time, make sure to practice short, quick meditation sessions as well. Trust me, this is going to help you in all ways possible. Now, the third point, as I always tell all my students, is visualize. Visualize, visualize, and visualize. Visualize yourself, in that particular college where you want to reach. pursuing that particular PG stream, what you are aiming for. Visualize yourself sitting in that department, in that particular college, conversing with your colleagues and professors, discussing your thesis topics, doing some bedside clinical examination, doing some surgical or parasurgical procedures. Visualize yourself as already a student of that institute, be it BHU, be it Jamnagar, be it All India Institute of Ayurveda, be it any college, but visualize yourself as a PG scholar already. Wish, keep seeing that positive visual in your mind, so that your mind will believe in yourself and will support you during the process of studies, last minute studies, and also during the process of exam. So this is a technique which actually works wonders. So whenever, for the next 3 days, imagine yourself and visualize yourself as a PG scholar already doing a lot of intellectual discussions in that particular college. So let's achieve our dreams by following these small strategies and handling the stress. I'm sure you're all prepared. You're well prepared to face the exam. Do not doubt yourself. You all are prepared to face the exam, but let us not allow stress to overpower this. So let's learn to handle stress, practice these techniques, and trust me, it's going to work. And I'm going to see you in the next Drona Achievers meeting. So all the very best to all the students of Drona from the entire Drona family. Let's come out with flying colors. We'll be here to receive you with all smiles and happiness. So all the very best. Thank you.